Hello beautiful people, it's Yerubi here. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. So I'm currently going in with my Good Molecules Rosehip Oil. I'm going to do this for skin prep, and I'm going to just put it all over my face and rub it in. So 2020, you guys, what is this? I don't even know, y'all, but what I do know is that I'm going to make the best of it because I refuse to take any more losses. Like, that's it. Like, period. For my primer, I went in with the Good Molecules Primer Moisturizer. It's all a 1 and 2, baby. It's all I need. Okay. This powder right here, you need it. Don't tell me I didn't tell you not to get it. It's the Fenty Beauty Setting Powder in Banana. I'm obsessed with this formula. It really sets my face. I like to now set my face with setting powder before I do my makeup, thanks to Jackie Aina. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation in 240. Wow, I'm like low-key out of breath from just saying that. Like, wow, I gotta be so long. Okay, in all seriousness though, this Fenty Beauty foundation brush is it. So now it's time to cover those bags. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Concealer in 240. Highlighting my face is truly such a therapeutic process. Like, please enlarge this so I can minimize that with the contour later. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Also, if you guys want to convert to all brushes for your blending, definitely buy the BareMinerals Deluxe Foundation Brush. It's my favorite. Whew, okay. For my favorite part, I'm now going to be bronzing up the face and contouring with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Carmel Cutie. Listen, some of you are probably like, you can't contour with a bronzer. Listen, ma'am, yes you can. Yes you can. You can finesse it. Just go in a 3 and get that chin to the jawline and you're good. I promise, you're good. And then you just want to grab that setting powder and then set underneath the cheekbone for a more emphasized, snatched look. You're gonna look good. It's so quick, easy, simple. Bada bing, bada boom. Life can be so simple for you, baby. Look at that. Yeah, like, look, ma'am. Like, snatched, all right? So for the nose contouring is really simple. For all noses, you always want to put the 2 lines on top of the nose, not on the sides of your nose. But for the tip of the nose, it can be different. I personally like putting a little circle and then highlighting it with more concealer and then blending it all out for a nice smaller look. Now I'm just gonna grab setting powder and set the sides of my nose for a nice snatched nose. Now it's time for blush, baby. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love this blush. It's the Buxom Wanderlust blush. It is a nice mix of the perfect pink and mauve. So time for the eyes. For this look, I'm going to be using the bright blue in the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to place that right in the center of my lid as a transition color. Now to soften up this look, I'm going to be using this mint color from the Daisy Marquez palette from BH Cosmetics. Guess what time it is? It's time to cut that crease. It's time to cut that crease. Cut the crease. Cut the crease. Cut. Now I'm gonna go back into that James Charles palette and use that beautiful blue shimmer and put that on the lid. Now I'm gonna be using the Stila liquid eyeshadow in Kitten, and I'm gonna put it where the transition shades meet. Now for the inner corner highlight and brow bone, I'm gonna be going in with the color in Ring Light. It's literally poppin'. I feel like it goes with the look. It gives it more of an icy look. For my bottom lashes, I'm gonna be using a white pigment so I can open up my eyes. And after that, I'm just going to repeat all those steps to the other eye. And I forgot to mention, I did put blue mascara on. I feel like it really brought out the eye look. Once you repeat all those steps, your eyes should look like this. A nice blue icy look. Now time for the lips. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in Unveil. And I'm just going to outline my lips. This Stunna lip paint is truly one of my favorite shades to use. It always creates the most perfect nude, and I'm basically out of it in this video. And And since I'm basically out of my most favorite lipstick, I'm just gonna grab a brown eyeshadow and just emphasize the outline of my lips. And it just works as perfect. Look at my baby Hoover. He just looks the cutest when he wags his tail. Like, look at him being all happy and cute and stuff. Something about me, honey, I'm gonna make sure my lips are outlined, okay? And for the lips today, I'm gonna be using the BareMinerals lip gloss in Tantalize. It's a nice nude lip gloss. I really like it together. So now for the center of my lip, I'm going to use the most lightest beige color in any palette, and I just put that right in the center, and that really just helps create that nice nude ombre look that I love. Now for my highlight, I'm going to be going back into that color Ring Light, and I'm going to put it on my nose and right above where my blush is. And for the finale, I'm going to be using my BareMinerals Dew Mist to finish up this look. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun doing this blue glam. I definitely want to let you guys know that I hope you all are staying safe and staying inside and taking social distancing serious. It's a weird time in everyone's life right now, but honestly, we all just have to get together and be better people for everyone around us and really take social distancing serious. I know your plans may have been canceled, your vacation, you missed the beauty store, all of that, but really, I know it's inconvenient as hell, and a lot of us are broke as fuck right now, but it's okay. Like, we really just need to learn how to adjust for right now, and we have the rest of our lives to be selfish, but really, like, just think about others around you, and we just want to flatten the curve. And that is all I had to say, and until next time, keep shining and wash your hands, and I love you guys. Bye.